Here's the secret to learning anything, including how to manifest. Build momentum. What does that mean? Once you start to gain some wins, even very small and insignificant ones, you will develop the confidence to tackle more challenging tasks. You will take greater risks, and your self-image will start to change. You will start to identify yourself as someone who has the skills you want or the character trait you seek. Do you see what's happening here? Small wins open up your mind to seeing things, especially seeing yourself differently. It's the most important step for making personal change. Before we go any further, I want to warn you, watch all of this video to the end so you don't miss any steps. And more important, you don't miss any of these powerful bonus tips that will ensure your success. The entire process is covered in 2 videos. This is the second one. Bonus tip. Focus only on tasks you can succeed at. Remember, success comes in cans, not cannots. Build up some wins from the start. Your confidence, skills, and willingness to take on larger tasks will grow rapidly. You will metamorphose into a new person with new routines, new daily habits, and eventually a new outlook. Then your goal will manifest to catch up with you. I've just shared with you step 4. So let's go on to step 5. I'm going to warn you that this last step is important, but it's also very misunderstood. So pay serious attention to it. I found it to be a real game changer for me. Your success hinges on your ability to harmonize your subconscious mind and your conscious mind. To do this, your conscious mind needs to get on board. The challenge is that your conscious mind is conditioned to use your senses to interpret life. If you don't see that you are successfully manifesting, then your conscious mind will cast doubts and everything will fail. Do this to get your conscious mind on board. Actively search for small clues that are making progress towards your goal. Notice more and more of these clues. The overwhelming weight of the evidence will eventually convince your conscious mind that you are succeeding, and your 2 minds will harmonize, and that is when the real magic begins. Bonus tip. How exactly do you appease your critical mind by noticing success clues? Get a cheap paper notebook. Put today's date at the top of page 1. Write down in bullet point form a few clues showing your progress, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, that you found over the past 24 hours. And do this daily. I'm really serious. Write down all of the clues revealed to you at the end of each day. After about a week, start getting into the habit of reviewing these entries on a daily basis. 2 things will happen. You will start to notice that more of the clues of success are starting to become more significant, and you will start to convince yourself that you are actually succeeding. Check out this video for more tips. I put the link above. Step 5 blew me away when I first tried it. Before going into my biggest tip, I need you to hit the subscribe button because you want to maximize the benefits of using Neville Goddard's techniques. I literally upload practical videos every week that will make your manifestation journey much easier. Here is the most significant tip I can offer you. It's not for any particular step, but it's for the entire process of feeling the wish fulfilled. Don't just dream, take action. Dreamers who spend most of their days on the couch eating potato chips simply don't get anywhere. One of the biggest misconceptions about Neville Goddard's teachings, as well as the law of assumption and the law of attraction, is that success will magically come to you. It doesn't. And if on the off chance it does, it will dissipate and eventually go away. Real sustained success comes when you take action. Get out of your comfort zone and become a better version of yourself. Taking action stirs things up. New opportunities unveil themselves as you do the next steps on your journey. Don't only dream, take action too. If you haven't seen part 1 of this beginner's guide, check it out.